Hello from Slovenia again. I'm working on 16 by 16 inch canvas again with the split cup with 4 chambers and black and white. I'm still in this black and white feather face that I want to achieve. I don't know, let's see if I can do that today. I love black and white paintings, I don't know, and I have few of them in my living room, so want to have another one. And what I was thinking is that I will go just back and forward at the beginning and then maybe do something in the middle. I will just go with the flow. So let's okay. I like it for now. Just pour some black paint around for the flow extender. Push my paint to the pattern that I have, so that way the paint will not flow over itself and it will not, I will not lose the pattern. Cover my canvas like that. Okay, so let's start still think I will kind of walk. I really do. Wow. I'll just give it one spin. And I'm done. Yes, I like it. I just want to have this corner white, so I will just cover this with white. And this will be it. One quick torch. And I'm done. So here it is. Love the featherings. Love the lines. Love how 3D it looks with those feathering effects. So I am happy with this one. If you don't like black and white paintings, probably this will not look much for you, but I like black and white paintings, so I love it. Sometimes black and white gives this statement by itself, just with 2 colors. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!